We're excited to be here in India to meet lots of buyers. We have been selling to India customers direct over the last 10 years, but we know we need partners here in India. And that's why I came with ETOA. I'm looking for partners for tour access and for our brands to expand. The morning is great. I like the format. I managed to meet at least 80% of all the buyers that has been here.
ETOA got selected buyers who were useful to each of the supplier, and we had a great time where people were genuinely talking about business for good 10 minutes.
This forum has been a beautiful forum where you have a mix of different companies from from Europe, and some of the people that I met here are amazing, and they do such amazing products, very unique, something that the Indian market would really love. And we are looking forward to this season where we can promote most of these companies to Europe.
I think it's been a great experience, and I see a lot of quality-driven business being done over here, not just quantity. I love the concept of 2020. Usually, it's used for cricket, but even in tourism, in this roadshow, so very selected few quality buyers have been invited.
It's been very busy. For one thing, obviously the B2B workshop on the first day was really beneficial. A lot of curated buyers arrived to that, and a lot of the big guys, from what I understand, in the market, like Thomas Cook India. So that's really important for us to get in front of. I mean, that's why we're here in India today. And then with OTM, the show, it's been absolutely quite overwhelming with the number of independent travel agents, wholesalers, and everyone in between that just wants to understand what Evan Evans does and how they can work with us, because the UK is definitely their number one focus.
Well, it's fantastic. We were exhibited in OTM since last 4 years, and this is our first time with ETOA. Coming with the ETOA brand, it's that we are getting a lot of recognitions by the Indian agents, and this brand is enough.
The moment you participate with ETOA, people understand the importance of European Tourism Association and they value it. And the one thing which I really appreciate this time is the location of the stand, because we are just at the entrance and we are meeting a lot of good people here. So yeah, I'm looking forward for a good business this year.
People show a lot of interest in Europe, so definitely you should definitely think about joining us next year.